Okay, yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode. So I hope you had a fantastic day. It is the 1st of May, another month is here, and yes, Bitcoin has been dumping over the last 48 hours. So if you watched my video yesterday, I did speak about the potential of breaking past the 100 EMA ribbon on the daily. We did do, and we're currently going down to lower price points. Sorry about my voice, I've had a bit of a cold the past few days. So we're down, 5, almost 6%, 3,500 again. It's a carbon copy of yesterday, really. And I do expect further action to the downside coming up to the Fibonacci's, which I'll show you in just a second. So today's going to be a very quick episode, just right across the board. If we go into crypto bubbles, this is the coins from 1 to 100, and everything is down 10, some things are down 20%, 25%, which is an opportunity to start buying. So should you start panicking, selling your bags, etc.? Should you be panicking that Bitcoin is 57k? No, just if ever you are in doubt, then no doubt, you probably heard, if in doubt, zoom out. So just do that. Look at the bigger picture, look how far we've come since the bottom. I believe 15k was the bottom, and I mean, we're still up, like, let's have a look. We're still up 261% since that 15k bottom. So don't worry, this is just normal in crypto. Could we go lower? Yes, we could. Could we reverse? Of course we could. I mean, Bitcoin does what it wants. I'm no genius, I'm no financial advisor, so just take what I say with a grain of salt and do your own research, etc., etc. So read the description below. I am not a financial advisor. You can lose all your money in crypto. That's just the way it is. But if you're here like me, you want to risk and DCA into some altcoins, into Bitcoin, do some trading, then fair enough. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so as well, and leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. It's all good for the algorithm. And remember, if you subscribe to the channel, then you will be eligible for that giveaway that I've been talking about in previous episodes. So before we go into the technicals of Bitcoin on the daily time frame, let me just put that back there. We will just jump over to the Beam. I'm going to talk about Beam just very briefly, because Zentry and Beam, they will boost the Zophon. This is a ZK sync chain for AI and entertainment. Now I believe Beam is going to do amazing things in this bull run. And Zentry and Beam, the two brands commonly associated with the gaming industry and community, have pulled 300 million to enact a revolutionary initiative that will forever change entertainment, gaming, and AI sectors. So this collaboration, a joint effort within the Zophon network, will go ahead, and basically this new ecosystem is built upon the ZK Sync platform, which is supported by robust ZK technology, capable of processing extremely high throughput transactional operations. And something I read quite interesting, it was just here, it's this joint effort is innovative, bringing together the individual strength of everyone involved. So Zentry has a strong network, proven track record in the gaming industry, and then Beam employs advanced blockchain technology to efficiently manage complex game processes, thereby enhancing the game's user experience. So with its specialized structure, Zophon Hyperchain meets the needs of modern apps with excellent scalability and throughput. So it's something just very interesting. You can read the rest of the article, but this is something which I've just read over the past day. And yeah, so for me, I know it talks about Zentry and Beam boosting this ZK sync chain for AI and entertainment, but I believe Beam, there's much more to Beam than just this technology, and also the crypto itself is at 65. I believe Beam in the gaming industry is going to do wonders, going to do really well. If you're into Beam, then let me know in the comments below. I do have a bag full of Beam, and I will be buying Beam up as much as possible, especially during this dump. We're down almost 20% over the last few days. We're back at 2 cents, and I think Beam, right now it's at 1.2 billion. I could see this doing a 10 to 20x this cycle. Definitely a 10x, which would take us up to just about 12 billion, but I would not be surprised if it goes up to like 20 billion in this cycle, meaning it'll be in the top 20, top 30 crypto projects. So I'm going to go into Beam a little bit more later on, not today, but you go and check these guys out, and you can find it on Binance, Bybit and other exchanges, Mexi, etc., etc. But Beam for me is going to have its very first cycle as well in the gaming industry, and I think Beam is definitely here to stay. And for this cycle, why not invest? Again, not financial advice, something I'll be doing. Right now it's at 2 cents. It could go a little bit lower, probably if we're looking at the technicals, as low as 0.01, so just under 2 cents. We could come back down and retest some of these levels here. So if you just want to wait on the sidelines, then I mean just wait for Bitcoin to keep, I mean if Bitcoin comes down to these Fibonacci levels that I've spoken about, then expect Beam and the rest of the altcoins to go even lower. And that should be not a cause for concern. Whatever you do, one thing that I do when I see red days like this is just don't look at your portfolio. Because then you'll start panicking. You might be looking at your portfolio every single day. Just stop. Don't do it. Look at it from time to time, maybe every month or every other month. But try to get out the habit of looking at it every single day. Have a plan. Have a exit plan, of course, but just DCA is one of the best things that you can do. And when you see a red day like this, or when things are down 20, 30%, then jump into your preferred altcoins. And for me, gaming and AI will be the narrative of the market. I keep saying this religiously on my channel. AI and gaming will be, in my opinion, is going to explode this cycle. So going over to Bitcoin, having said that, with Beam and the altcoins, the reason why the altcoins are dumping is because Bitcoin is taking a breather. I mean, we've been going sideways for quite some time now. And if you've been following my channel, I have been talking about the potential downsides to Bitcoin. With the potential bull flag, this probably now is invalid for now. I'm not saying the bull flag is completely invalid. I mean, if you go to other time frames, you can easily draw another bull flag. But let me just get rid of it anyway, and we can always draw that back up. So again, on my channel, I did say that we need to push past the 67k. That's why I had this line here at 67k for us to flip back bullish in the short term. In the long term for this year, I do expect us to have a bounce relatively soon, maybe in the next few weeks or month or so. There's a reason why as well that people say walk away in May. So again, if people say walk away in May, that's probably because obviously the markets go to the downside. But if things are down 20, 30%, then in my opinion, come back in May. You know, start buying your bags of altcoins and get ready, because this is probably, if Bitcoin does come crashing down to these levels, this most likely, in my opinion, could be completely wrong, is the last amazing buying opportunity to jump into crypto, into Bitcoin, into altcoins, because we probably won't go back down to these levels throughout if history repeats. We have this dump down to these levels. So if you're dollar cost averaging, fantastic, because we don't know how low we're going to go to these levels. We could just go to that 51k. I mean, it could reverse upon us right now. That's why you should be DCAing into projects when you see red days, so that you're buying up more altcoins or more crypto. If the bottom is 51k, we have that V shape, then these levels probably going to be the last time, and then we're going to have that mega pump to the upside towards summer, going into the autumn, towards the end of this year and early into next year. So just don't panic. That's probably, if you're going to take anything away from this video, don't panic. When you see massive red days, use it as an opportunity to buy more crypto that you're interested in. For me, it's gaming and AI. It's very difficult to do so when everything is in the red. Now that's investing. In terms of trading, where could we be going in the short term? Well, again, like I said on my previous video, we have gone below the EMA ribbon. We had that MACD. Let me just get that indicator. The MACD, there we go. Was it the daily or the weekly? I think it was the weekly. Did bring it out yesterday. We've had that bearish crossover on the MACD, which isn't good. We're broken below that EMA. So again, it's indicating that we're going to go much lower. How low we go? Well, that's why I've drawn the Fibonacci's for you. If you want to trade this and trade some of these movements down, again, just be careful. We're in a bull market. It could very quickly reverse on you. But some of these key levels, we've got the 0.38 level just here. We've got the 0.5 and then the 0.618. So if you're in a short right now and have been, then congratulations to you. Maybe have a trailing stop loss so that you take some profits off the table, or take some profits off the table as it's moving down, because eventually it will reverse and it will stomp you out. So just make sure to take profits as you go along. Nobody got poor taking profits. And if we did go back down to these levels, the 0.38, the 0.5 and the 0.618, I am looking at a swing long position with very small margin, maybe a 3x, very small leverage, 3x leverage at the 0.382. If we break below that, then I'll have another position at the 0.5 and the 0.618. Again, lower leverage for that swing long position, because if I get into a long position, a swing long position at these levels, then I'm just going to let my trade ride throughout the rest of this year, going into that 100k, that six-figure Bitcoin. So again, let me know in the comments section below if you think Bitcoin is going to go to any of these levels, the 52k, the 45 to 47k, or if you think Bitcoin is going to go a lot lower than 30k, lower than 40k. Let me know in the comments section below. So thanks guys and girls for watching, sticking around to the end. I should be back tomorrow lunchtime with more TA, and don't forget to check out Beam and the rest of the gaming cryptos. Just go on CoinMarketCap and check out the gaming cryptos, because yeah, I think gaming will do fantastic this year. I've been saying that a lot on my videos. So thanks again guys and girls. Make sure to smash up the like button, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye.